Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next chapter is coordinate geometry. First point, look here. To find distance between any two points on a x-axis. To find distance between any two points on x-axis. Now look here. In the figure, points A means x1, 0 and point B x2, 0 or are on x-axis such that x2 is greater than x1. Therefore, distance between AB is equal to x2 minus x1. Now, next point is to find distance between any two points on a y-axis. Look here. In the figure, points P and Q. Now, the coordinates of 0, y1 and the coordinates of point Q are 0 and y2 are on y-axis such that y2 is greater than y1. Therefore, distance between PQ is equal to y2 minus y1. Now next point is to find distance between two points if the segment joining these points is parallel to any axis in the xy plane. Now first one, in the figure, segment AB is parallel to x-axis and y coordinates of points A and B are equal. Therefore, distance between AB is equal to x2 minus x1. Now second point, in the figure, segment PQ is parallel to y-axis. X coordinates of points P and Q are equal. Therefore, distance between PQ is equal to y2 minus y1. Now next point is distance formula. In the figure, A and B are any two points in the xy plane and the coordinates of point A is x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. It is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. Therefore, distance between AB, it can be written as AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is called distance formula. Let us see how to solve it. Practice set 5.1. First question, find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. Now the first point is given here. Coordinates of A 2, 3 and the coordinates of B are 4 and 1. Write down the solution here. Let us consider the coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. Therefore, write down here by distance formula. AB is equal to, now write down the formula here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, substituting the values, therefore AB is equal to, substituting the values here, x2 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. It is equal to 4 minus 2 means 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Now solve it. 2 square 4 plus minus 2 whole square, it is also 4 is equal to square root of 8. 4 plus 4 means 8. Now 8 is not a perfect square. Therefore, factorize 8 into two numbers such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore, 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Now, the value of AB is equal to 2 square root of 2. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 square root of 2. Now, write down the answer here. Distance between points A and B is 2 square root of 2. Our aim is to find distance between P, Q. Let us consider the coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point Q are x2, y2. Therefore, apply formula here by distance formula. PQ is equal to, write down the formula here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, x2 means minus 1 minus x1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 means 3 minus y1 7 whole square. Now substituting the values we get minus, now solve it, minus 1 minus minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square, which is equal to minus 1 plus 5, we get here 4 square plus, now 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4 whole square. Solve it. 4 square 16 plus minus 4 square 16. Now we get square root of 32. Now look here, 32 is not a perfect square, therefore factorize 32 into two numbers such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore factors are 16 into 2. Now write down here PQ is equal to, now square root of 16 is equal to 4 and square root of 2. Therefore write down the answer here. Distance between points P and Q is 4 square root of 2. Now next question is third. Let us consider coordinates of point R are x1, y1 and S are x2, y2. Now apply the formula here by distance formula. RS is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values we get here x2 means 0 minus x1 0 whole square plus y2 5 upon 2 minus y1 means minus 3 whole square. Now look here, 0 minus 0 0 square. Now solve it, 5 upon 2, now minus minus plus 3 whole square. Now look here, cross multiply, 5 upon 2 plus 3. Now take the LCM as 2 and cross multiply, 5 plus 3 to the 6 whole square. It is also equal to 5 plus 6 means 11 upon 2 whole square. Now look here, square root and square both are cancelled. Now we get 11 upon 2. Therefore write down here RS is equal to 11 upon 2. Write down the answer. Distance between points R and S is 11 upon 2. Next question is fourth one. Suppose coordinates of point L are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point M are x2, y2. Now apply the formula here by distance formula. LM is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substituting the values here, we get x2 minus x1 means minus 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Now the value of y2 is minus 3 minus, and the y1 is minus 8 whole square. Therefore minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 whole square plus minus 3. Now minus minus plus 8 whole square. Now we get here minus 12 whole square plus minus 3 plus 8 5 whole square. Therefore we get here 12 square means 144 plus 25. Now we get here, add these two numbers, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 4 6, 169. Now taking square root, we get LM is equal to 13. Now write down the answer here. Distance between points L and M is 13. Now next question is fifth. Here points are given T and R. Let us consider the coordinates of point T are x1, y1, and the coordinates of point R are x2, y2. Now apply by distance formula. TR is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values here, x2 means 9 minus x1 means minus 3 whole square plus y2 means minus 10 minus y1 means 6 whole square. Now solve it. 9 minus minus plus 3 whole square plus minus 10 minus 6. Both numbers are negative here, therefore we get minus 16 whole square is equal to 9 plus 3 12. 12 square means 144 plus minus 16 whole square, we get 256. Now add these two numbers, 6 plus 4 10, 0 carry 1, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 and 4. Square root of 400. Now TR is equal to 20. Write down the answer here. Distance between points T and R is 20. Now next question is 6-1. Here the points are W and X. Let us consider the coordinates of point W are x1, y1, and the coordinates of point X are x2, y2. Therefore write down here by distance formula. Wx is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, we get x2 means 11 minus x1 minus 7 upon 2 whole square plus y2 means 4 minus y1 4 whole square. 11 minus minus plus 7 upon 2 whole square plus 0. 4 minus 4 we get here 0 square. Therefore now add 11 plus 7 upon 2. Take the LCM 2 and cross multiply. 11 into 2 22 plus 7 whole square. Now we get 22 plus 7 means 29 upon 2 whole square. Now here square root and square both are cancelled. We get 29 upon 2. Now it is the value of Wx. Therefore write down here Wx is equal to 29 upon 2. Now cancel it. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Now the remaining is 10. 2 fives are 10. Therefore we get Wx is equal to 14.5. Now write on the answer. Distance between points W and X is 14.5. Now next question is determine whether the points are collinear. हमें मालूम करना है कि ये जो points है ये collinear है या नहीं. Now we know that एक हम रफ डायग्राम यहाँ बनाते हैं. A, B and C. Now A, B, C are collinear points here. Now we can write here. हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं अगर ये collinear points है तो AB plus BC is equal to. Now look here. Points are given A, B and C. Now first find distance between AB, then distance between BC, distance between AC. If the sum of the two distance is equal to third distance, then we can say that the points are collinear here. Now for AB, first A and B. A minus 3 and B is 2 and minus 5. Let us consider the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now by distance formula, write down here. AB is equal to, now we know that the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, we get x2 means 2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 means minus 5 minus y1 means minus 3 whole square. Now solve it. AB is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 whole square plus minus 5 minus minus plus 3 whole square, which is equal to 1 plus minus 5 plus 3 we get minus 2 whole square. Therefore 1 plus minus 2 whole square means 4. Now we get here 1 plus 4 means 5. Therefore AB is equal to square root of 5. Give it equation number 1. Now second. Now second distance is BC. Now the coordinates of B are 2 minus 5 and the coordinates of C are minus 4 and 7. Let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. x2, y2. Therefore by distance formula, BC is equal to, now substituting the values, x2 minus x1 means minus 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 7 minus y1 minus 5 whole square. Therefore BC is equal to, now solid, -4 -2 we get -6 whole square, then plus 7 minus minus plus 5 whole square. Therefore -6 whole square means 36 plus 7 plus 5 12. 12 whole square means 144. Now solid. 6 plus 4 10, 0 carry 1, 4 plus 3 7 8, 180. Now 180 is not a perfect square. Now the factors of 180, therefore 5 into 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. Therefore value of BC is equal to square root of 36 means 6 square root of 5. Give it equation number 2. And next is AC, and the coordinates of A 1 minus 3 and the coordinates of C are -4 and 7. Let us consider x1 y1, here x2 y2. Now apply the distance formula here. By distance formula AC is equal to, now substituting the values here, -4 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus -3 whole square. Now solid. -4 minus 1 means -5 whole square plus 7 minus minus plus 3 whole square. -5 whole square 25 plus 7 plus 3 10 whole square. Now we get here 25 plus 100, 125. Now 125 is not a perfect square, therefore factorize it into two numbers such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore the value of AC is equal to 25 into 5. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 25 means 5 square root of 5. Give it equation number 3. Now look here carefully. In equation 1 we get root 5, in equation 2 we get 6 root 5, and in equation 3 we get 5 root 5. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, इन तीनों इक्वेशन में अगर हम इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 3 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमें इक्वेशन 2 मिल जाएगा. Therefore from equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, look here, root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5. Now root 5 means AB plus 5 root 5 means AC is equal to 6 root 5 means BC. Now here we can say that the points B, A, C are collinear points, means therefore write down here points A, B, C are collinear points. Now look here, second question. इस क्वेश्चन में भी हमें देखना है कि पॉइंट्स L, M, N कॉलिनियर है या नहीं. तो उसके लिए हम पहले L, M फाइंड आउट करेंगे, M, N फाइंड आउट करेंगे और L, N फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट्स लेंगे हम L and M. Let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1 and the coordinates are x2, y2. Therefore, by distance formula, LM is equal to Substituting the values here, x2 minus x1 means 1 minus minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. Write down here by distance formula. Now solve it. 1 minus minus plus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square. Now we get here 1 plus 2 means 3 square means 9 plus minus 6 whole square 36. Now 36 plus 9 we get 45. 45 is not a perfect square, therefore factorize 45 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore factors are 9 into 5. Now square root of 9 is equal to 3 and square root of 5. Give it equation number 1. And now the second distance is mn. Coordinates are 1 minus 3 5 4. Let us consider x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Now apply the distance formula here. We get mn is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square means 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means minus 3 whole square by distance formula. Now substituting the values, 5 minus 1 means 4 whole square plus 4 minus minus plus 3 whole square. Solve it. 4 square means 16 plus 4 plus 3 7. 7 square means 49. 9 plus 6 15. 5 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 6. 65. Square root of 65. Look here, 65 is not a perfect square. Therefore mn is equal to, और इसके फैक्टर्स भी इस तरीके से नहीं निकलेंगे कि उसमें एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर मिलेगा, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे mn is equal to square root of 65. Give it equation number 2. And third distance is ln. L minus 2 3 and n 5 4. Let us consider the coordinates are x1 y1, here x2 y2. Now apply the distance formula. We get ln is equal to now substituting the values, x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 4 minus y1 3 whole square. Now 5 minus minus plus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. 5 plus 2 7 whole square plus 4 minus 3 1 whole square. 7 square means 49 plus 1. We get here square root of 50. Now it can be written as ln is equal to 25 into 2. Therefore the value of ln is equal to 5 into square root of 2. Give it equation number 3. ये तीनों डिस्टेंस हमने निकाल लिया है. अब ध्यान दीजिए, इक्वेशन 1 में हमें हासिल हो रहा है 3√5, इक्वेशन 2 में स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 65 और इक्वेशन 3 में 5 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. तो किसी भी दो का सम तीसरे के बराबर नहीं है. इट मीन्स पॉइंट्स L, M, N आर नॉट collinear. Therefore write down here from equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2 is not equal to third one is square root of 65 means 3 root 5 ln plus 5 root 2 ln is not equal to mn. Therefore write down the answer here. Points L minus 2 3 m 1 minus 3 and n 5 4 are not collinear. Look here, third question. First find the distance RD, then distance DS, then distance between R and S. Therefore first R 0 3 and D 2 1. Let us consider the coordinates are x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Therefore by distance formula RD is equal to, write down here, by distance formula now substituting the values x2 minus x1 whole square means 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 1 minus 3 whole square. Now solve it. 2 minus 0 means 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square 4 plus minus 2 whole square also 4. Now 4 plus 4 is square root of 8. It can be written as 4 into 2. Now we get answer 2 square root of 2. Therefore RD is equal to 2 square root of 2. Give it equation number 1. And now second, find out distance between D and S. Write down here. Coordinates of D are 2 1 and the coordinates of S are 3 minus 1. Let us consider the coordinates are x1 y1 here x2 y2. Therefore ds is equal to, now by distance formula write down here, substituting the values here, x2 minus x1 whole square means we get 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means minus 1 whole square. Now solve it. 3 minus 2 means 1 whole square plus minus 1, both numbers are negative here, therefore we get minus 2 whole square. Solve it. 1 square means 1 plus minus 2 whole square means 4. Now 1 plus 4 we get square root of 5. Therefore ds is equal to square root of 5. Give equation number 2. Now next is RS, distance between points RS. Therefore write down here R 0 3 and S 3 minus 1. Let us consider the coordinates are x1 y1 here x2 y2. Therefore RS is equal to square root of, by distance formula write down here, now substituting the values here, x2 minus x1 whole square means 3 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Now solve it. 3 minus 0 3 square plus minus 1 minus 3. Both numbers are negative here, therefore we get minus 4 whole square is equal to 3 square means 9 plus minus 4 whole square means 16. Now 16 plus 9 we get 25, which is equal to 5. Therefore the value of RS is equal to 5. Give it equation number 3. यहाँ इक्वेशन 1, 2 और 3 ध्यान से देखिए. यहाँ हमें हासिल हो रहा है 2√2, इक्वेशन 2 में √5 और इक्वेशन 3 में ओनली 5. तो किसी भी दो नंबर को ऐड करके हम यहाँ तीसरा नंबर नहीं ले सकते. इट मीन्स हम यहाँ लिखेंगे देयरफॉर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2 एंड इक्वेशन 3 RD plus means 2√2 plus √5 is not equal to 5. 2√2 means RD, distance between RD भी लिख सकते हैं. RD plus √5 means DS is not equal to RS. Therefore points RDS are not collinear. Therefore हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर points R means 0, 3, D 2, 1 and S 3 minus 1 are not collinear. Next question is fourth one. Next one is fourth one. Here points PQ are given. First find distance between PQ, then distance QR and then distance PR. Therefore write down here P minus 2, 3 and Q 1, 2. Let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Therefore find out the distance between PQ. Therefore PQ, it can be written as distance between PQ. इसे हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. It is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Write down here by distance formula. Now substituting the values, x2 means 1 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 2 minus y1 3 whole square. Now solve it. We get PQ is equal to 1 minus minus plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 2 means 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. Solve it. 3 square means 9 plus here we get 1. Therefore 9 plus 1 is square root of 10. It is the value of distance PQ is equal to square root of 10. Give it equation number 1. And now second, find out distance between Q and R. Therefore write down here points Q 1, 2 and R 4, 1. Let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1, here x2, y2. Therefore QR is equal to, it can be written as distance between Q, R. Now apply the formula here by distance formula. Write down. Now the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substituting the values we get 4 minus 1 whole square plus here 1 minus 2 whole square. Therefore QR is equal to, solid, 4 minus 1 means 3 whole square plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 square means 9 plus minus 1 whole square 1. Now we get here square root of 10. It is the value of distance between Q comma R is equal to square root of 10. Give it equation number 2. Now next, find out distance between P and R. Therefore write down here coordinates of P are given -2 and 3, and the coordinates of R are 4, 1. Let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1 and here x2, y2. Now find out PR, or it can be written as distance between P comma R. Write down here by distance formula. Now apply the formula here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2, 1 minus 3 whole square. Now solve it. 4 minus plus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Now solve. 4 plus 2, 6 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Now 6 square means 36 plus minus 2 whole square 4. Now 36 plus 4 we get 40. Now it can be written as, therefore PR is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 2 into square root of 10. Therefore it can be written as distance between P comma R is equal to 2 square root of 10. Give it equation number 3. Now look here carefully. Equation 1 में हमने हासिल किया है √10, इक्वेशन 2 में √10, इक्वेशन 3 में 2√10. तो ये दो नंबर्स को अगर हम ऐड करते हैं तो हमें 2√10 मिल जाएगा. देयरफॉर राइट डाउन हियर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2 एंड इक्वेशन 3. Square root of 10 plus square root of 10 is equal to, we get 2 square root of 10. Now the square root of 10, it is distance between P comma Q plus, now square root of 10, it is distance between Q comma R is equal to 2 square root of 10, means it is distance between P comma R. Therefore points P, Q, R are collinear points. Therefore write down here answer. Therefore points P -2, 3, Q 1, 2 and R 4, 1 are collinear. Allah Hafiz.